So Chris, tell us one super tip on getting started in real estate investing.
So the super tip I would say is have a wealth building plan. Incorporating real estate is to have a plan. Now, I'm a certified financial planner. That may be a cop out, but you don't want to go in just blindly. The real estate market will chew you up. It's a competitive market with lots of moving parts. So having a plan, being prepared, sets you up for success. So that's my startup tip. The planner is telling you to have a plan. Surprise, surprise.
To be expected.
Yeah.